And here are all the items included in your motorized latch retraction kit for the Cal Royal 9800 and 2200 series exit devices. Our remote MM4 module will take the place of the red dip switch board shown here, your 4 screws and 8-foot power lead. Now let's jump into the installation. I'm going to be using a Sargent device, but the installation will be the exact same.
Flipping the device over and removing the 4 screws, securing the push pad to the exit device housing. We'll set those aside. Now we can flip the device back over and slide off the push pad to reveal the 2 activating brackets and mounting brackets. Put the housing aside. Now we're going to flip the push pad over and focus on that front activating bracket. We're going to slide out the pin, securing the mounting plate to the activating bracket. Put that mounting plate aside, and we're going to have to flip the kit over and install it upside down, but I just want to show you really quick that the back of that activating bracket is just going to slide right in between that nylon roller. I'm going to flip the device over, insert the back of that activating bracket right in that opening, riding on top of that nylon roller. Now I'm going to push down the motor kit and activating bracket until the hole lines up on the motor kit with the existing activating bracket. Now I can reinsert that pin once I have those holes lined up to secure the motor kit to the push pad. Now we can flip it back over with the motor kit installed and slide the push pad and the whole assembly back into the exit device housing. And you want to make sure that that power wire is routed over the back activating bracket so that it's not getting smashed, and continue sliding in the push pad the rest of the way. Now that I'm almost close to the front, I'm going to flip the device back over and continue sliding that push pad until the holes line up with the mounting brackets inside. Now I can grab either the 4 existing screws, or if I want to change them out, to the 4 new screws supplied, and reinstall to secure the push pad to the exit device housing. Once secure, I can flip the device back over. Just want to briefly review the dip switches so we can see that there's a number 1 and 2, and then there's also one side labeled on, so the opposite is going to be off. So number 1 is going to control your torque. On is high torque, off is low torque. Number 2 is for your push to set programming. On means push to set programming is on, and to turn it off, you simply switch it to the opposite side into the off mode. So now hooking it up to power, we're going to fire off the device a few times and set our push to set by depressing the pad, applying power, waiting for a series of 6 beeps, roughly 5 to 6 seconds. Release the pad and refire. You can always reset it by following the same steps. Refire a few times to make sure it's pulling back to where you want to. And that, my friends, is another successful installation.
Thank you for calling Command Access. We're here to help.
Woo! And don't forget to visit commandaccess.com, where you'll have all the information on our products at your fingertips.